Hey guys, it's me back in another video. Okay, so today we're gonna play Notoriety, but not really play, but how to get a badge. Okay, you go to the store. I'm gonna tell you how to get a badge to enter promo code and get the badge. So store, let's go to store. Okay, you see Twitter codes, press it. Okay, you enter hot sauce and you can redeem. Oh, I unlocked Steam. Okay, I got badge. Let's go check it out. Okay, my profile. Let's see the thingy. Oh, Twitter and Top Secret. Look at these two. These are the badges you earn from that promo code. Okay, anyways, that's all for this vid. And if you like it, subscribe and like this video and add a comment also, any comment or what. Okay, and actually this wasn't, I didn't find this out. The person I should thank is 8123 a fan. Okay, so please friend him and follow him, please, because he's only at 48 friends. Okay, so anyway, that's a shout out. So thanks for watching this vid. If you like it, once again, subscribe if you want. Bye.